Hello there. So you want to know how you can subscribe to a subreddit? This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and search for Reddit on your preferred browser. And all you need to do is go ahead and click on this first link, which is going to be www.reddit.com, and simply here. Now, for example, if you know what kind of subreddit that you want to join, you can simply search right over here. So for example, ask Reddit, right? And you can simply go ahead and click on this right over here and click on this join button in order to subscribe to this Reddit. However, if you don't know what type of subreddit that you want to go ahead and subscribe to, you can click on this explore button on the left hand side of the screen. And once you've done that, as you can see, there's going to be a lot of categories. So places and travel, movie, technology, games. There's also business and finance. There's also humanities and law, and a bunch of other options that you can go ahead and choose from, and simply go ahead and join. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.